Hi guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Wendy. If you guys are new, I'd love it if you would hit that red subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification so you know every time I upload new videos. So last weekend I went to Goodwill. So I am sitting here on a chair that I picked up from Goodwill. So I had an idea in my head. I wanted to, if you guys saw my last fall or my only fall DIY of this year, it is a little fall ladder. And I plan on putting that out on my front porch. Well, I also had the idea of getting like a little chair, like a little farmhouse chair, and decorating that with some fall decor. So I was like, where can I get a chair really cheap? So I figured, you know what, I'll try Goodwill. If you guys have seen some of my previous videos, actually I think I've only ever talked about it in one video. I did a Goodwill challenge. I'm not a big fan of Goodwill. I won't get into why, but I will say that like our Goodwill, the prices are a little ridiculous. Like some of the items that they have there, you can get somewhere else a heck of a lot cheaper and brand new. So I won't get into all that, but I figured Goodwill would be a great place to go look for a piece of furniture. I know garage sales are another good place, but right now it is still like over 110 degrees here, so there are no garage sales that I've seen in my area. And probably won't be for a couple months. So I decided to check out Goodwill. My mom and I pulled in the parking lot on a Saturday, and let me just tell you, we were not the only ones there. It was packed. So I was like, okay, what's going on? Yeah, they were having their half off sale. I don't know how often they do that, but it just happened to be the one day that we decided to go. It was madness in there. I went straight to the furniture and they had a ton of different chairs, and I just happened to find this bad boy right here, and this was just perfect. This was exactly what I was looking for. So it was, you guys can see that, it was $3.99 and I got it for half off. This thing was $2. I could not believe that. I mean, you would not be able to find a chair this cheap anywhere else. So I was very happy that I found this. And then I also decided I wanted to do some fall pillows. Originally I was gonna I did look at Dollar Tree to see if they had any fall placemats, because I like to use those for like no-sew pillows. But they didn't have anything, so I did look at Goodwill. And I found this fabric here. I don't know, it almost looks like they did something to it, because you could, like they sewed it a little bit right here. I don't know. I don't know if it was like a tablecloth or what it was. But I will say, so, okay, I thought everything in the store was half off. Like I'm not familiar with those sales. So this was $4.99 and I was like, okay, half off of that, I can live with that. Yeah, no, seasonal is not on sale. So I paid $5 for this. I probably couldn't find this fabric anywhere else for $5, so I'm okay with that. And I plan to make maybe like 3 or 4 pillows out of this. I'm gonna make some for some family members. And then I had heard the idea, maybe it was one of my subscribers or someone else here on YouTube had suggested getting pillows from Goodwill and using the stuffing to make new pillows. So I was like, well, that's brilliant, you know, it's cheaper than going to buy the fill stuff from Hobby Lobby or whatnot. So I found this. I used to have one of these when I was younger. I used to have it on my bed and I would just sit and chill. This was $2.99, so I got this for $1.50 because this was 50% off. So I wasn't able to open it at the store because you need like a little paper clip or something to stick in there to open it. So I'm kind of nervous to see what's inside here. I hope that it's something I can use because this is all I have right now. So let's open this. I'm nervous. Please be good, please be good, please be good. Okay, I can live with that. This is like, yeah, just straight up stuffing. Okay, cool. I've never seen this color before. Alrighty, so that works. Cool. Here's Tater Tot. You just make it into all the videos, huh? He's getting so big. All right, you guys, so I am going to paint this chair. I'm gonna do kind of like a two-tone. I'm gonna use white and then my some brown, like stain it. And then we are gonna make some pillows. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I did was took some regular old sandpaper and I just started sanding the entire chair. The seat part had never been touched, but the white part had definitely been painted in the past, so I just wanted to scuff it up a little bit so that the paint would work a little bit better. But yeah, so I just lightly sanded the entire chair. Next, I'm taking this Waverly Antique brown color. Oh yeah, there's Tater Tot. You guys just wait. And I mixed it with a little bit of water, so it's going to make more of a stain. And I did need quite a few coats. I probably mixed it with too much water. I probably could have done it without any water, but I was kind of running low on it, so I wanted to try to stretch it out as much as I could. So yeah, I probably did about 3 or 4 coats to make it the color that I wanted. Next, I'm taking these 2 random paint colors that I have found in the garage. I'm actually painting my hutch with these paints, so I was like, you know what, I've got this out, I'm gonna go ahead and use it. It's just like a white ceiling paint and then a very, very off-white color. I just wanted to mix them together, so I got the perfect color that I wanted, but you guys could use any paint for this. I just wanted to use something I already had in the house. Just a friendly reminder that maybe, you know, if you have kittens in the house, maybe you shouldn't do DIYs with them. Yeah, Tater Tot had to be locked in the bedroom because he decided to try to sit on the chair. And luckily, he just got the paw prints all over this and it wiped right off, but I mean, how cute is that? Should I just leave him? Just kidding. Alright, so after I went ahead and painted over the cute little paw prints, I'm going to let that chair sit and dry. It did take me pretty much all day to do like all the coats that I needed to, you know, let it dry and then do another layer and everything, so I finally got it to the color I like, and you'll see that at the very end. So I'm just laying this out, and I'm going to go ahead and take out the thread that I'm not sure what they had done before. They kind of hemmed it, so I'm going to go ahead and take that out, and then I'm going to cut them to the sizes I want. So I'm just going to fold this in half and then cut it to the size that I want. It's a little bigger than 12 inches. It's more of like a rectangular pillow, and then I will have plenty of fabric left over to make more too. Next, I'm going to take some of my pins and just make the hem a little more straight. It was kind of uneven when after I cut it, I noticed it was not very straight. So I just went ahead and pinning it, and then I'm going to start gluing it to make the hem, and then I'm going to glue it, turn it inside out, glue it together, and then stuff it. So these are no-sew pillows. I'm not using my sewing machine for anything. I'm just going to use my hot glue gun. And then for this last end, I'm going to glue it and leave about a 6-inch opening so that I can stuff it with the stuffing. And you're just going to want to stuff it with as much as you feel like you need. And it was pretty easy to just stuff it all in there. Oh yeah, make sure you turn it right side out so it's not inside out when you put the stuffing in. I've done that before. And then once you get all that stuffing in, you're just going to kind of want to make another little hem. Sorry, my big head is in the way. You're just going to make a little hem, and then I'm going to pin it so it's a little easier to stay in place, and then I'm just going to use my hot glue gun and glue it together. And that is it, you guys. Here is my no-sew pillow. I think this turned out so cute. I'm going to make a few more, and here is how the chair turned out. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications because I have a bunch more fall DIYs coming. I have some other ideas that I want to decorate with this, so stay tuned for those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.